Hello, friends. Welcome to this English learning session. Today, I will help you learn how to ask and answer questions in English. Do you want to speak English confidently? Do you want to understand people better and make conversations easy? Then you are in the right place. In this video, we will go step by step. First, I will tell you why asking questions is important. Then I will show you how to make simple questions, answer them confidently, and use them in daily conversations. At the end, I will give you some practice tips to become better every day. So let us start our English journey together and have fun while learning. Chapter 1: Why Asking Questions Matters. Today, I will teach you how to ask questions in English. Asking questions is very important. When you ask questions, you can learn many new things. You can know about people, places, and daily life. For example, I ask you, where do you live? You answer me, and then I understand more about you. This is very helpful in speaking English naturally. Sometimes we only listen, and we do not ask anything. When we do this, conversations become boring. But when we ask questions, we make the conversation alive. We learn more, and people feel happy when we are interested in them. I always tell my students, if you do not ask, you will not know. You can start with very easy questions. I can ask, what is your favorite food? You answer, I like pizza. Then I ask another question, why do you like pizza? You answer, because it is tasty and soft. You see, each question gives more information. In daily life, we ask questions every day. I asked my friend yesterday, how was your day? She told me all her activities. Tomorrow, I will ask my neighbor, do you like coffee or tea? I will learn her choice. Remember, asking questions is not only for learning English. It is also for understanding people. I want you to practice every day. Today, ask one question to someone in English. Tomorrow, ask two. Little by little, you will become confident. So let us start this journey. Ask questions, answer questions, and enjoy learning English together. Chapter 2: How to Form Simple Questions. Let's learn how to make simple questions in English. Questions help us talk to people and know more. There are two main types of questions: yes-no questions and WH questions. Yes-no questions are very easy. We use them when we want a simple answer, yes or no. For example, I ask you, do you like apples? You answer, yes, I like apples, or no, I do not like apples. Yesterday, I asked my friend, are you happy? He said, yes, I am happy. Tomorrow, I will ask my cousin, do you play football? WH. Questions start with words like what, where, when, who, why, and how. We use them to get more information. For example, I ask, what do you eat for breakfast? You say, I eat bread and milk. Last week I asked my student, where do you live? She told me her address. Next week I will ask another student, why do you like English? The word order is important in questions. In yes-no questions, the auxiliary verb comes first. For example, do you study English? In WH questions, the question word comes first. For example, what do you want to learn? I want you to practice every day. Ask your family, friends, or even me. You can ask, do you like music? Or how do you go to school? You will notice that asking questions becomes easier when you practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Today you asked one question. Tomorrow you will ask more. Each question helps you speak English more confidently. Chapter 3. Answering questions confidently. Now we will learn how to answer questions confidently. When someone asks you something in English, it is important to speak clearly. A good answer makes the conversation smooth and friendly. For yes/no questions, you can give a short answer or a full answer. For example, if I ask, "Do you like tea?" you can say, "Yes, I like tea," or "No, I do not like tea." Yesterday, I asked my student, "Are you tired?" He said, "Yes, I am tired." Next week, I will ask another student, "Do you enjoy reading?" She will answer, "Yes, I enjoy reading because it is fun." For WH questions, you should give more information. For example, if I ask, "What is your favorite color?" you can say, "My favorite color is blue because it looks calm." Last month, I asked my friend, "Where do you go on holidays?" She told me all the places she visited. Tomorrow, I will ask another student, "How do you study English?" I want a full answer so we can learn from each other. When you answer, speak slowly and use simple words. Even if your answer is short, it is okay. For example, I ask, "Do you like pizza?" You can simply say, "Yes, I like pizza." Over time, your answers will become longer and more natural. I always tell my students, answer questions like you're talking to a friend. This way, you sound confident and friendly. Practice every day and do not worry about mistakes. Every answer helps you improve your English. Chapter 4. Asking questions in daily conversations. In this chapter, we will learn how to ask questions in daily conversations. Asking questions is not only for learning English. It also helps us connect with people. When we talk to friends, neighbors, or strangers, questions make the conversation interesting. We can ask simple questions when we meet someone new. For example, I ask you, "What do you do?" You answer, "I am a student." I ask another question, "Do you like studying English?" You answer, "Yes, I like it very much." Yesterday, I asked my friend, "Where do you go on holidays?" She told me all the places she visited. Tomorrow, I will ask my cousin, "How do you spend your free time?" Questions are very useful when we go shopping or travel. I asked the shopkeeper yesterday, "How much is this bag?" He told me the price last week. I asked the bus driver, "Which bus goes to the market?" He gave me clear instructions. Next week I will ask the waiter, "What is today's special?" It is also important to be polite when asking questions. For example, you can say, "Can you help me, please?" Or "Could you tell me the time?" Polite questions make people happy and willing to answer. I want you to practice every day. Ask questions to family, friends, or even to yourself while practicing English. Start with one question, then two, and slowly ask more. The more you ask, the more confident you become. Remember, questions are the key to good conversations. Every time you ask, you learn something new and improve your English naturally. Chapter 5. Practice makes perfect. In the last chapter, we will learn how to practice asking and answering questions to improve English. Practice is very important. The more you practice, the faster you become confident. You can start by asking one question every day. For example, today I ask you, "What is your favorite food?" You answer, "I like rice and vegetables." Tomorrow you can ask a friend, "Do you like music?" They answer, and you learn more words. Last week I asked my student, How do you spend your weekends? She told me her daily routine. Next week, I will ask another student, what do you want to become in the future? You can also practice answering questions. When someone asks, try to give a full answer. For example, if I ask, where do you live? You can say, I live in a small town near the river. Yesterday, I asked my friend, why do you like English? She answered, because English helps me talk to many people around the world. Another way to practice is by playing simple games. You can make a list of questions and answers, and practice with a friend or family member. You can also talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Say, what is my favorite subject, and answer it. This is fun and very helpful. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal and help you learn. Every question you ask and every answer you give makes your English stronger. Remember, learning English is a journey. Ask questions, answer them, listen carefully, and practice every day. Slowly, you will become confident, and speaking English will feel natural.